Yeah, so today, or this part of today, I've already done some things today. Shut up. No, seriously. We're gonna be talking about how to fend off evil spirits. We already did the snakes, so, that's kind of, we did that. And then we did the so now we're gonna be doing some just fending off evil spirits in general. So, this is our evil spirit. Right there. She's really bad. See her? She's just an idiot. God, I hate idiots. Anyway, we're gonna have some very nice, dashing young boys show us how to fend her off. Yes. Okay. So first, the first thing you gotta do is you gotta do some dance moves, do some performing. That's the first step. Go. Nice, good. All right, now they what they do is they drop to their knees. Yeah. Oh gosh. Okay, and then they roll to the left, and they look like little koalas. That's really good, guys. Wow. And then they hop back up and they start doing the dance, and they just go to town. It's like wow. It's like wow. Where do you ever see that in a normal survival skill class? Never. You know what? Because it doesn't work. Look at her. She's dead. Ha! She's dead. She's a bad spirit. So that was fending off evil spirits. Because, you got to do that sometime. Anyway, bye guys.